Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative and I am here with a haul from Tuesday morning. You ever made yourself and realize how brilliant you are? Like, I mean, you just sit back and say, oh, that's such a brilliant idea. I did it today. So I have been traveling for the last couple of weeks. My craft room is like in disarray. And then I decided, okay, that's it. I can't take it anymore. I got to restructure some things, tearing everything apart. And then I realized I need to do some videos. There's a mess everywhere. And I'm going to do a video with a mess everywhere. I'm like, oh, how brilliant, Dawn. Should have made the videos before you decided to tear up the room. Anyway, I digress. Because, you know, got to laugh at yourself when you do things backwards. Anyway, so what did I pick up for? Some of the stuff is not mine, but I'm just going to show it all. This is the Puffy, Maggie Holmes Puffy Circle. Oh my gosh. Maggie Holmes Puffy stickers, and this is I don't know, the circus collection or something. I don't know. Anyway, it's $2.49 and it's 2068405. So I have very similar stickers, and this is just the Puffy stickers, and the chipboards too. And they had these in several different dimension sizes. These are the smallest of the three that they had. It's 144 mini rhinestone gem stickers by Weird Memory Keepers for $1.19. 2105871. Those are the pretty colors. And then they had the alphas, 135. The rhinestone alphas, and it's $1.19 as well. And it's 2105872. And then they have some bigger ones. And then these are the Project Life enamel dots for $149. 2079535. Kind of expensive, but a little bit. And this is the Illustrated Faith sticker set. And it says cardstock stickers from the Levitt Collection, $1.19. 2094341. And in my last haul, you saw some of the items related to Faith Illustrated that I picked up. So picked up only this one Desire die, $3.49, and it's Well Wishes 2097952. It says best wishes just for you, and then there's some flowers. Small, but you know, could be a nice occasion sentiment. So I did pick up some of these for someone. These are the raw charms. And okay, so these are 6-pack, and these are like the seashells and the seahorse and the turtle and starfish and all that. So it's $1.79, and it's 2076501. They're silver charms, 6-pack. And this one is the umbrellas, and it's dimensional for $1.99. 6675. And then this one is $1.79. These are butterflies. And this one is $1.79 for 2076509. Different shaped full and side view of the butterfly. And this one is $1.99. So this is more like your it says Vintage Victorian. 2076574. So you got your spool, your sewing machine, your scissors, and your button. And then this is the silver version, very similar. So it's got the ruler. And this one, I can see the number. It is $1.79, and it is 2076512. So these are great for charms, tassels, could be on your tins, could be on dangles, bookmarks, all kinds of things like that. This has been in the store for a while, but for whatever reason I decided to pick it up this time. 2097944, and this is the Layered Blossom Flowers by Crafter's Companion 7-piece set, 3-piece dies and 4-piece sticker set, and they're dimensional. I did pick these two up for myself. This is $2.99, and it's each. These are Heidi Swap stickers. 2105826, and this is called Hawthorne. So that's what the end result looks like. Some date stamps, so it has the months. You can put any one of these 3 frames. You have the circular ones, and I also have some dies and some other stamps that I think these will fit on. So that's why I got that as well, although I can fussy cut those out because I don't have a scan and cut. But I think these will also fit some of my dies that I have. And then you also have the months and the dates, which you can also use in your planners or on this as well. Same thing with this one with these shapes. I have some dies that I think will go with. And then I like the fact that these are just tiny enough that you can put on a lot of different things. Because you really don't get tiny, I know shimmery, shiny, but tiny stamps like this says amazing, good, forever, awesome, super, always, happy vibes, different stuff. So to just give you some example of how you can layer them to have a whole sentiment. And this one is 210-5825, and this is Hawthorne E-Day, and this one just says Hawthorne GDV, whatever that stands for. I have no idea. Alright, so these were the paper pads I picked up for somebody. Okay, so it says pretty things. This is actually very pretty paper in my mind's eye, and I know I showed this one before on my Instagram. 2074163. That's my mind's eye, and it's double-sided. Oops, it just popped it loose. And then this one is the Splendor, and this one is $2.99 as well. 2074168, and it's also double-sided. And this is repeat vow for somebody, and this was on clearance, so it was, I think, ring up for $4. And this is the flip fold book. I put it together for somebody and they wanted another one. And then this one is the Vicky Boutin All the Good Things Social Butterfly by American Crafts, 25 pack, 210-5900. Pretty colorful butterflies, and that is the B side. So again, like I said, a lot of stuff is for somebody else, but since I hauled it, I'm gonna share it. Anyway, so thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.